Hey there. Can I help you? Oh, what the hell, man? What are you doing? What is this?
Yeah, I got a microwave to sell.
God damn it, dude. I told you last week not to bring me shit
I don't know
filled
what
with
you're talking
roaches.
about, man.
This
It's
shit is disgusting.
totally
You were
clean,
always in here
normal
trying to sell
microwave.
some
I don't-
bullshit. I don't want to
know what
see
a
it.
roach
I don't want to
is,
smell it. I don't want to smell you. I don't want to
What
look
are you
at it.
talking about,
Get
bro?
the fuck out of my store.
Just need some money.
Hey, what the fuck's going on? Why is everybody yelling?
Look at this bullshit.
Do you mind? Yeah, we're trying to eat here.
Close the door.
Can you believe this fucking guy?
Man, something's not right with this dude's eyes. He's freaking me out. You ever watch cartoons?
Yeah.
Check this shit out.
What the shit?
Holy fucking shit, I can't believe that just worked.
What the fuck is
Oh,
happening?
what the fuck? Ah, god damn it, not again. You want to take care of that for us?
Yeah, I got it. God, I fucking hate this job. Always some bullshit with piss or bugs or... God damn it, I just want to fucking go home. Ah, score!